So we're quickly going to review, if you're given a piece of information, how to figure out what's congruent. So obviously got to read it. M is the midpoint of DB. So M is the midpoint of line D to B. So if that's the middle, right, we have two equal halves. That's what a midpoint means. It's right in the middle. These two halves are equal. So highlighting and annotating your diagram really helps. And then you just say what's equal. DM equals BM. So let's try another one. And again, really highlighting what's going on is going to help a lot. DA bisects angle BAC. So angle BAC. So remember, the vertex is that middle letter. So we're talking about angle A here, the whole thing. And if AD bisects it, or DA, that cuts it in half. That means these two angles are equal because the angle is cut in half. So angle B to A to D is half of it. And the other half of that angle is CAD. Angle CAD. The other do now question was on the next page, but online it just kind of goes together. So if we look at this other question, well, that was not what I want to do, but sure. This one, we have two lines that bisect each other. Remember, bisect means cut in half. So two lines bisect each other. They're both getting cut in half. We've never seen this one before. So AB is cut in half and DC is cut in half. So if they bisect each other, they're both equal. So DM equals CM. And MB is congruent to AM. And people keep asking me, so just so you know, like, you could call this line AM. You could also call it MA. Like, the order of the letters doesn't matter. It only matters when you're labeling angles. You want that vertex to be the middle angle.